Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, 46 video, 53rd video, there's quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see each and every comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can do one thing if you want to connect with me on Instagram. You can directly connect with me. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So if I press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last topic, in our last video, I've covered the topic called there are so many people, especially young ones, who are ending their lives on earth. What happened to this soul? So this was a topic which I covered on last video. And friends, in our today's video I'm going to cover the topic called the logic people use is that humans have free will. Are we not free to end our own life? Okay. So this is a topic which we are going to make video today, friends. Okay. And this is the 162nd number video, 162 number video, and the topic is, friends, the logic people use is that human have free will. Are we not free to end our own life? So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. The choice to end your life is yours, but you will continue to operate under God's laws. And when you break those laws, there are consequences. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagri, to end our life is completely our choice, it's our free will. But this earth world works in particular laws, right? Particular, there are some particular God laws, and if we break those laws of the God, then we have to face the consequences of those, friends. Okay. Your body is your temple. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Your body is your temple. It is given to you by God so that it can be healthy. So it can be a healthy vehicle for your spirit. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri that our body is a temple and it is given to us via God, right? So and we should keep it healthy as a healthy vehicle so it can be good for our spirit, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. When you destroy that temple, you are rejecting life, the very essence of creation. So when we are rejecting, when we are destroying this temple, that means we are rejecting the life, the very essence of this creation, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshan Bhavnagri. The real damage suicide causes is your spirit. So the real damage which causes by suicide, it causes to our spirit, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshan Bhavnagri. Spiritually, you fall an entire relay, man. You add a great deal of negative karma to your soul. So, spiritually, we directly fall to a realm down, right? And we add a great deal of negative karma, friends. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshan Bhavnagri. And, friends, those who doesn't know realm, I will tell you what is realm. So, in the spirit world, there are total 10 realms. And realm 1, 2, 3 is considered to be the hell. Realm 4 is considered to be nor hell nor heaven, and realm 5, 6, 7 is considered to be the heaven, friends. Okay. And each realm have 10 stages, right? And if we are committing suicide, then we are completely falling a realm down. For example, if we are in a realm 7, then we are going to go to the realm 6, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. And we also add a great deal of negative karma. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. You will have to come back to earth and face the same situation which with the double intensity. So after doing this also, we are not going to get free. We are going to again come to this earth and we are going to face these issues with the double intensity, friends. Okay. your test and training become twice as hard. So this test and training is going to be twice as hard as this of this time, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. When someone commits suicide, he is breaking his oath to God. So if somebody is committing suicide, then he is breaking his oath towards the God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Sometimes the pain human being go through is unbearable. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari that sometimes the pain which the human being go through is unbearable, friends. Okay, we all come down to earth in order to repay the karma and undergo test and training for the growth of the soul. So this is a very important statement which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari, that from the spirit world we come to this earth world to pay off our karma and to go through our test and training, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Sometimes we have a lot of karma to pay off, or we have chosen hard test. So sometimes we have a lot of karma to pay off, and sometimes we have chosen the hard test, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. The pain that we might go through and the situation we might encounter will be very intense and trying. So the test which we will be going through and the situation will be which will be encountering in our life, it may be very much intense, friends. Okay, and trying. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. But we must complete our journey no matter what. So, no matter what, we should complete our journey and we should not leave our journey in between, friends, by committing suicide, by terminating our life. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. What human being do not realize is that even though they are in unbearable pain, the pain they might cause to others by committing suicide is just as unbearable. So even this soul doesn't realize that they are in how much also pain by committing suicide. Whatever pain they are going to cause, it is going to be more unbearable, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Suicide is also an act of selfishness. So suicide is also act of selfishness, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. At the time the person is in pain, he is not thinking of others. The pain you go through makes you think only about yourself. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling a very important statement that when a soul is in pain, that time a soul doesn't think. When a human being is in pain, that time a human being doesn't think about himself. He only thinks about himself. He doesn't think about anybody else, friends. Okay, so he becomes a very selfish person. So there's Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. But what about your loved ones? What about the people you leave behind? So, what about your loved ones and what about the people who you leave behind, friends? Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. You are adding karma not only by harming your own spirit but by harming the spirit of others. So, we are adding karma, right? Negative karma by not only harming the spirit of ours but also the harming the spirit of others, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Some will say they have no one and feel like talking their lives for that very reason. Some will say they have no one in their life, so what's the use of the life? They can easily end their life. But perhaps that is their karma, or perhaps they are being tested to see how strong they can be in spite of this loneliness. So it is their karma, and even God is testing how a soul can be in spite of being loneliness, friends. Okay, selfishness makes your problem appear much bigger than they actually are. So selfishness here makes our problem appear much bigger. In actual, they are how much big, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, friends. Um, and friends, in our today's video, I have covered the topic called the logic people use is that human have a free will. are we not free to end our own life? So this was a topic which I covered in today's video, and in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called this one. Loneliness is a huge problem today. Even through people have families, they still feel lonely. Why is there so much loneliness on earth? So this is going to be the next video which I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. And friends, now this today this video comes to an end. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, there is quite possibility you get confused. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMNYUBHATTACHARJ1906. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you to subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. So this brings to end of today's video, friends. I will be meeting in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. Bye bye, friends. Take care. I'll be meeting in the next video, friends. Okay. Bye bye.